Here comes the crochet tutorial for winter fisherman hats. It has a great winter atmosphere. Alternate between long and medium long stitches. It's simple and time-saving. Let's crochet together with the tutorial. Using Lily Yarn's 9-in with a 4-point crochet needle. Started in a ring. Bring the thread through the hook and make a knot. Then we lock 2 stitches. This is the standing stitch for long stitches. Not a stitch. Hook the needle through the loop. Bring the thread over, then back 2 stitches. This is the first long stitch. Beginners can put a marker here to make a marker. Continue to hook the needle and thread through. Bring the thread over and back 2 stitches. This is the second long stitch. For the first round, we need to crochet 12 long stitches. "12 long stitches are completed. Remove the loop. Tighten the thread end. Find the first stitch with the marker. Insert Bring the thread over. Okay. In this way, the first round is completely finished. Next, we'll crochet the second round. We need to make the standing stitches. As the standing stitches for long stitches each round, I want to repeat the explanation. On the second round, in each stitch, you need to add a long stitch, which means in each stitch, 2 long stitches. Beginners should also mark the first stitch. This is a set of long stitches. Then hook the second group. Everyone finished the rest. Then we crocheted the third round. Lock 2 stitches. In the first stitch, crochet a long stitch. In the second stitch, and a long stitch increase. In this way, 2 stitches together. We crochet 12 groups. On the fourth round, lock 2 stitches. We crochet a long stitch first. In the second stitch. In the second stitch. In the third stitch. In the second stitch. Like this, these 3 stitches form a pattern. We crochet 12 groups. On the fifth round, lock 2 stitches. We crochet 3 long stitches first. Then add a long stitch. So we have 4 stitches in a group, for a total of 12 groups. The sixth round is relatively simple. It's just to crochet a round of long stitches without adding or subtracting. Everyone hooks 1 stitch to 1 stitch. Hook them. There are 60 long stitches in total. In the 7th round, we just need to lock 1 stitch. Crochet a medium long stitch. Hook the needle through the loop. Hook. Bring the thread through. There are 3 loops. And pass the hook through all loops. This is a medium long stitch. This round is also 1 stitch for 1. Crochet 60 medium long stitches. After the 7th round, the 8th, 9th, and 10th rounds are all 60 long stitches without increasing or decreasing. You can finish these rounds by yourself. There is no difficulty. In the 11th round, we locked 1 stitch. We crochet for medium long stitches first. Then in the 5th stitch, and add a medium long stitch. In this way, 5 stitches in a group. We crochet 12 groups. In the 12th round, is to crochet a round of long stitches without increasing or decreasing. Then crochet for 13 rounds. First, crochet 5 long stitches. Then crochet 1 long stitch increase. Like this, 6 stitches in a 12 groups. First lock 2 stitches in the 14th round. Crochet 3 long stitches. Then a long stitch increases. This way. Like this. This 7 stitches as a group. 12 groups. In the last round, without increasing or decreasing, just crochet 1 long stitch.